Hello, second car. I'll call you back. I'll be a video. Yes, sorry for. I have to put mechanisms in place. I have some visitors as well. A great good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from around the world. I remain my humble self. Your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osazo Sakweno Kudi, the coordinator general Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise, the CEO of Woman Edo State. Actually, today I was invited to a program on ITV, and I believe the program would have been incorporated or uploaded into YouTube, on YouTube now. So for those who have the ITV handle, you can go there to watch. Yes, as a people, we tend to talk about our discussion as a then we are talking about insecurity. And I was surprised that we are talking about insecurity. We hear those the rest of us talking about what's happening. What's the name of this? Our neighboring state, Ondo State, be something like that. That the Fulani this, the Fulani that, the Fulani did this, which is true. We know that Fulani is a very big challenge. Not Fulani as a tribe, not Fulani as a tribe, but those wicked elements in the system, like those cattle headers, how they normally kill people. We know these are big challenges, but we are shying away from the real truth. The fact is death is death. Whether you are being killed by Fulani or you are being killed by cultists in Edo State, death is death. So I told them, I cannot be discussing about Ondo State because the governor Akeredolu is calling on the Fulanis for them all to come out from the bush so that they will be recognized and they will write their names down so that in case anything happens, they will know where to trace it to. We should limit now. We should look at what is happening in Edo. Now we know we are having Fulani herdsmen problem in Edo in the past. But as of today, our people are more deadly than the Fulani herdsmen in the state. Youth now see themselves like a dog. When a fellow youth, you know when mad dog and a mad dog see each other, they'll say, That's what youth can be these days. Another new quarrel, another new fight don't start. They are killing themselves on a daily basis. Let me do this. They are killing themselves on a daily basis. On a daily basis, they are killing themselves. No, the other one. Yeah, long finish. They are killing themselves on a daily basis in the name of supremacy. Now me day pass. Now you day pass. Now this one day pass. People, youths, please share this video. Share this video. You can't keep quiet. I told them live on ITV. Go and watch it. I said, you cannot be discussing about Ondo. Whereas your backyard, we have various problems in Nigeria as far as insecurity is concerned. One is Boko Haram insurgency. 2 is armed banditry. 3 is Fulani herdsmen terrorists. 4 is cultism. And cultism is peculiar to Edo State. Cultism is peculiar to Edo State. So you cannot be talking about Fulani and talking about Epalawo where you call it back a real live video.
Hello?
I'm on live. Domo.
Okay.
You cannot be talking about the Fulani this. Let us know where to stop it. Death is death. Death is death. Before you address the issue of the Fulani, which is a plague, as a plague to us, or which is a problem, you should be able to look inward, in your backyard, in your room. Cultism, our youth are busy lost in their lives on a daily basis. Man now see themselves as dog. The other one will say, hey, just take an example. I asked a question today on ITV. Have you ever seen where cultists will shoot a Christmas? Even when they know that madman is a cultist and they are fighting war, they will pass it. They are looking for promising young man to kill. They are looking for promising young men to kill. They will never see a madman on the way to say, okay, this madman, if I get always join that time, but he's not a madman who kill him. They won't kill him. They are looking for promising young men to kill. And when you kill a doctor, you have ended up killing over 1,000 persons because that doctor would have taken care of over 1,000 persons during his career in life. But you cut it short. And nobody pays you anything. You are there saying 2-1, 1-0, 1-4, 4-2. Is that not stupidity? If we don't come out to tell these people that they are failing, they will think that, see, you are nothing but a waste. If you think killing people is a pride, you are a fool. It is the truth. You are nothing but a waste in the society. The date now, our young men can no longer do businesses. Some of us who you see that is engaging in 1 or 2 businesses is because we are free. It's because we do not belong to any society. Can you belong to a society and go and open a store? You will be in that store, they will come there to shoot you and say, go there, stop. A businessman, a promising young man, who ought to have done a very good business that would be profiting to him, he will be afraid to stay in his store or his office because he knew that when there is war, that place will be a focal point, a targeted target. You see a man who is supposed to be in his job place will be running away, running a scatter, all in a bid to protect himself. We knew that people have joined this thing. We knew that so many persons are not part of this. Fine. The question is, you that engage yourself into it, what are you now doing now that you are now aware that what you did is wrong? What are you now doing? Are you still planning to kill people, or you are not trying to do what it takes to ensure that the society becomes a better place for us all? Now, if you say you want to filter all of those citizens, out of 50 boys, 49 can be members, out of 50, 40 can be members of different confraternity. We know that they've engaged themselves into it. This is the time for us to now begin to rehabilitate and recreate an orientation or reorganizing the mindset, re-engineering of these persons. And the government on its own should be ready to be proactive. They should be ready to be proactive. As far as they are concerned, we should not be talking about Fulani Esme, or we are talking about Boko Haram, Boko Haram, where on a daily basis people are lying down. Cops are in the streets on a daily basis. Cops are in the streets on a daily basis. People are not afraid to move in Benin. When a man comes in from abroad, for he or she to be in his house, he will be afraid. He better go and be spending 10,000 naira a night in an hotel. And if he's going to stay 3 weeks, that is 70 plus 70. That is 140 plus another 70. That's about 210,000 naira just to sleep. And whether this same person have a very befitting structure, but he or she will be afraid to sleep on it because as of today, it is no longer courtesy, but it's now jealousy. It is no longer courtesy, it is now jealousy. When you just drive 1 month to come, then you say, man, what's the way? Hello. That's okay, when the phone say don't get, wait for the next war. You join not just mistaken identity. Is that what we are going to allow to continue in the society? I want to commend the Edo State government now for the vigilante and for the community policing that is totally coming to be. But now, this is the time for us to identify the real problem that is militating against us. And I'm calling on the media, more on the penta. Somebody kill somebody, you say narcotic war. When you kill, you should be made to face the full wrath of the law. Now, nobody gives you right to say kill, and you say narcotism. Courtesy for what? When you kill, you should be faced. We know, people know these people for society. The police know them. Why are you not apprehending these people? Why are you not apprehending these people? When you apprehend them, you are still waiting for money for bail. And you expect a man who believes that if you shoot person before he die, 1 million will solve the case. He will keep 5 million for 5 people. He will keep 5 million for 5 people. But when you know, say, you shoot person, you dey go down, my brother, you go learn new thing. You go learn new thing. So this is the time for us as a people to come out to collectively condemn in strong terms this activity. Let me tell you, courtesim will not only reduce development of manpower and capable personnel in the society, it will create room for brain drain. Do you know how many boys will don't rock more this time? They don't rock. Sunday, they don't know why they join. Thank God today I was with Professor Egiato, a very strong and reliable surveyor in Edo State. We were together in the program, and I acknowledge the fact that he's my senior colleague in the survey profession. And he said on the live, go and watch it on YouTube. Just go ITV. It's on YouTube. He said that when he's a professor in Uniben, whenever any session commences, he normally goes to the classrooms, to lecture rooms, to go and advise students. He will go there to go and advise them, tell them that they should not engage themselves in cultism. And there are so many mechanisms that they use to entice you. He now said, in his personal experience, he said, while he was still in school, he was being approached as well. I want to ask you one simple question. You don't ever see anybody with a beg when you say, we can't collect money. You don't ever see person with a beg when you say, Afan, I beg, now can't collect money, I beg. I beg when you show, now can't collect money. It's not there. But they continue to pester you, force you, I beg me on that phone. Talk to you, come join us now, come join us now. For them to beg you to join, you don't know something about you. For them to beg you, say, Afan, bros, if you, Professor now told us, he said during his time, they were telling him, he now asked them, what would be the benefit if I join? They say you will be friending the best girl in campus. Can't you friend the best girl as a man? If you choose to friend the best girl on earth, can't you friend it as a man? Must you be a member of any organization? He said you will not be protected. He now asked him, you said if I join this group I will be protected. But I've noticed that we are in the same, almost the same room. Look at my room. The door adjacent to mine is yours. But you have not been able to stay in the campus for a good 7 days. You always run a task getter. Where is the protection? Where is the protection? You when they run here and there say, hey, just set it, just set it. Now if you are sure you say they want to protect, and you have not been able to protect yourself. My dear brothers and sisters, if we are not stand to the talk now, we are use politics to the bend truth. At the end of the day, a time is coming. Everybody will bag and finish what they do. No way nothing bag, they'll turn out to 6 feet. When people they hustle here and there have to make ends meet, so they come and now the same man. They identify fuck up. Festus fuck up. John Boo fuck up. Matthew fuck up. Paul fuck up. No, and if you check them, they're broke past anything. No money, nothing. But they carry problem. They do king of killing. They show yourself, they go for straight. It is also true that politician plays a role in occultic activity. Let us not bend it. If it's not they paying you, you might think that everything is okay. If they never kill your brother or kill your dear friend or person when they're close to you, you will not know what the people who is facing this death, who has witnessed this death, as an experience is facing. You will not know. There was a day a woman called me a few weeks after the elections. She was crying. Ew, my only son. My only son. The woman at the hospital she did. And I said, Mama, what happened? The only picking where that woman get, where they Nigeria, they kill her. How you say make that woman feel now? As old as she is, only one picking, they kill her for. No matter what that woman gets, she will never be happy again in life. No matter what she gets, she will never be happy again in life. Even if they get 150 duplex, 350 Rolls Royce, he go look and go through a speech. Who want to enjoy with me? And they do my live video now. My children come out for the maybe not say shut up. That shut up, so now enjoyment shut at last. I'm happy that I'm seeing somebody to say shut up. How do you think that woman will feel now? Nobody, nothing. And we are still acting as if cultism is not a problem in our society. Let's stop this pretense. Excuse me, please. Hello. Good afternoon. Well, I talk about like real live video. What you remember in the next 30 minutes? Yeah, true, man. Double. Now, how you say make these people feel? How? And we see they pretend like say na normal thing. I talk about what I make one post one day. I say, come, the number of deaths recorded in Edo alone can be compared to Boko Haram insurgency. So everybody say, na lie, because one they overrain. One they overrain, the other one they not the year round. Bros, you tell me any week when they know they keep person. Today, if you not be color A and color B, tomorrow it will be color C and color D. Next tomorrow it will be color E and color F. You know it will be color this and color that. Youth don't turn automatic army for streets. Youth don't turn to automatic army for streets. And the worst part of it, we say, now from within the range of 20 to 35. Now they lost their lives too. The capable personnel of our society, you are reducing them on a daily basis. Today, Professor said something on ITV. Go and watch it. He said, a friend of his, who is a lecturer in University of Benin, the same associate, he is a lecturer, the other one is a lecturer, went for a master program in London. And the man now called to say, Professor, I will soon be rounding up and I will be returning to school. Professor now advised him that he should not come back to school again. He should just resettle his life there. That he regretted to have returned to Nigeria after everything in London. Then what did they expect same new way the youth where did that program? What did I go think? People are not running away because this place is no longer comfortable or in the name of courtesy. I can choose not to talk. I go sit down or relax because after all, they know themselves. I'm not there. You never see me for your meeting one day. You not see me for any bush. I'm not there anything. But we are friends. We have friends of different divide. In fact, if you say you don't want to associate yourself with any cultist, you will not have a friend because 90% of people around the street it's just that one or two persons. It's just that you need to now fish out those with good intention. Then you begin to, because you say you don't want to get friend, you don't want to be friend to any of them, you will not have friend because in a society it is difficult for you to now see a free young man in Edo, just as it's difficult to identify who is a virgin. Sorry to say. They never tire. Now this to the government. The government of Edo State. I must commend your policy in respect to this local vigilante. But, hello, is that? Who? Now, babe, look for water, give me. Now, I commend the state government policy in respect to the local vigilante. But I want the state government to look into those who are recruited into the exercise. Check and wait. More no go later regard people who will pursue. More will not go later regard. Bring on people who will pursue. That's the truth. I said they should bring one water. You are supplying me more water. More put her down. Not be one kind of miscreant who no say himself na problem. He go work it on. When you catch her with coin, you say I'm a vigilante. I'm a vigilante. I'm a vigilante. What paredo is here? I'm a vigilante. So we must check them well properly. So we commend the government in respect to that, but let the proactiveness in respect to courtesan comes into play with full force. Anyone with a cash, not who join you, get it clear. People they will join as a result of relative ignorance. Let the government, thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God. We already have a plan. the former chief security officer to the former Indian government, what's the name of this former government in India? We've had an interaction with some Indian specialists in security. We have interacted. We already have a plan. We already have a proposal to be able to check some of these menaces, including this kidnapping of a teen that is rampant across the country. But there is going to be a pilot survey, because you cannot be solving problem in Pakistan while your house is burning. So we already have a plan. Excuse me. Hello, leader. I'll be at the live video. I'll call you if I true. In real live video, you are true. That's the way. Live video, I'll call you. Yeah. So we already have a plan on ground, and by the power of our invocations, God Almighty, I pray that the government of Edo State accept this plan. You see, I don't have told you before. This time, election don't finish. Election is over. This time for governance. Anything when you get for your brain, now we tell you from the beginning, bring and come. No, we take push and go forward. This one not be time to identify enemy. Whether you be Abgao, you be APC, you be PDP, you be Lakpawa, anyone you be a Edo citizen. The governor is your governor and Edo is your state. You must come to look for a way to ensure a better Edo for us all. No sentiment, no pushing somebody aside, say don't worry, not be their party. If their party enter, if they, before they go to make them go. Nobody is going. All Edo citizens must come to come and build Edo. It's our collective responsibility. Not be only one by Edo. We play the role. Yes, political party have a role to play. It's the truth. We're a member of political party, fine. But when election is over, the political party know how to play their game to make sure everywhere. We must allow the governor to engage in real governance. Whether now we give our template to run, not we give our template to run. One see identify one great man from the society we know how to do it. Bring him, that person will come in to address the problem that we are facing in Edo. After all, in America, when war won't happen, American government won't go war with another country. They can go back to one state, go remove military general who don't retire for like 15 years. Because they know they ain't get that expertise. They'll go remove and come say, come, this is a problem, we want to solve it. So this time, no sentiment, no say, on a man winner, on a party man, all of those citizens must come together, except if you are not tired of the debt that we are recording on a daily basis in Edo State. Except if you are not tired. Again, the family unit. The family unit is a problem. How on earth will a youth who still stay under a papa roof, he go tell Morocco for a papa present, then he go to smoke and down. Once they go say, papa say, Eriau! That is lazy father. You're under your roof. If a son of mine want to smoke Morocco, know that it's no longer with me. You cannot be under my roof and be smoking and go in my house. You can't do it. Forget say men know I will take day on our own in the past. We not pretend. But waiting we not go feel greed. For our own good. We don't feel greed, not go there. We not be weakling. We like peace. But we are not afraid of war. We love peace. And by the power of God Almighty, loyalty is always our watchword. Because I am the be able to assurance. Nobody knows tomorrow. Now for both rich and poor. So I'm afraid to intimidate the next man. I know if they will come and they look back. I know it done. That's why I am following the biblical principle. Be peaceable with all men. Except the one who don't want peace with me. I will run from her. I cannot sit on my own and say, go to the plan. Say, the way that boy talked to me yesterday, I don't like him. He don't fuck up, go gather me, go fight. I can't do it. I can't do it. The highest I will do is, I will run from you totally. As it be like this, it's very obvious that the both of us are not compatible. Ogasa. And moreover, you yourself be like, who to pass me? According to your view. I not reach your level. According to your view. I'll leave you, may you follow your level. Make me myself follow that my local level with me know. I go run better style. But where I run, I know what the plan say, nobody the day will catch him, the day will catch him, and not they catch anybody. And God knows why God not grant me anybody to catch me. I am Osaku no Wudi. And I try to make sure say I learn one character when it be say I know they call everybody. I hate if you ain't me. I hate time pass anything. And secondly, me I not like me anybody praise me. Say you call me say, oh comrade, you too correct. Oh comrade, the way you think comrade. I don't need that. I know you don't need any of those hailing at all. Now you bring that to me. Sorry if you come in, you just say comrade too much. You pass your damn, you not first. Because I don't want to make anything you enter this in my head. I'm going to say, in your believe in me. In your believe in me. In your believe in me. Now me now, you don't know me. I don't want. I don't want to leave the go. If you fall put, if fall put. If you know you fall put, no shaking. Will the fight till you fall put. Not be so going to say, you don't know me. You also have to put it. Me no. Now me, you don't know me. Now me do that one. Now me no. So we don't. Now me no. I don't want. Let's live our life the way it's supposed to be. Let's now. Somebody raised on the same office the issue of light. It is very good because light serves the great security. But you don't want disadvantage in this country. Before we even get approval to fix light for a war, and it's still going on now war. The federal government is in charge of light, and we have spent over $50 billion since democracy to date. No light minus the money we military spend. We never still get light. We fall from 6,000 megawatts to certain low megawatts to 6,000. We know they grow. Tell Nigeria in 2006. We not tell. Page 5 say Nigeria is possessing the quality of a failing state in 2006. Compare the way when Nigeria be in 2006 and now. If it was a failing state in 2006, when would they see rice back at the cost of 6,700 per bag? What will Nigeria be today? What if Nigeria was a failing state then? What is it today? That one don't mind. We could not talk about ourselves. There is freedom of speech in Nigeria, but there is no freedom after speech. One particular tribe can do and undo, nobody arrests them. But when you do, you go to prison. A Fulani man can pass through police station with dagger or anything, you go hold on, you go pass. But maybe you just carry cutlass. Anger, the way they tell you anger, you are going to prison. It is their culture. Say they get right to Ulam. But you as one Nigerian, you not get right to Ulam. And not come here, come incite anybody against anybody. More leave this topic. But the truth of the matter is, while we are talking about the Fulani terror and their activities, sorry, not the Fulani in general, the headers who are the terrorists, we should remember that in Edo State, we self we kill ourselves. Youth are seeing themselves like animals. Occultic war is a problem. The earlier we agree to this, the better for us. Please share this with you. What says that time? Because we are moving forward. Yes. It's going to be a night movement. Relax. Now men they move. They dread. So that's the point. That is the point. Let us see courtesan as a problem. More of the sweet people go say, and courtesan now there is all of them are criminals. Now, you say they catch you with gun. They ask you say you be courtesan, fine. Now make you hold the gun. The day when food no there as call. The day when money not there to spend. And you now, the highest benefit in courtesan is beer and woman. When they drink 5 bottles, this one saying at 10, or they say, which way? Everybody will shout, oh man, now be the highest. Oh, but see that beer, courtesan is associated with beer and women. You can drink beer on your own. You can carry women on your own. must you be part of any group? If you never join, wrong, go back. If you don't join, leave those people. Stand your life. Anybody come meet you say, man, you don't join. You say you know they join again. Go and report and arrest him. The police in itself is not helping matter. If you carry secret, come go to police, say, you get one boy, they terrorize this area. You give police real information. The police will be the one to tell the same place when they bail and say, now one boy tell us about you in the area, they'll be very careful with that. Because they don't see money. So fear let people talk again. Fear let people talk again. So that this one I want make I bring to us today. We must be ready. All are sundering. And again, I want to know that the man no men of vessel now. There are some people with the diaspora. Some will be member of courtesan, for example. They're the same money they give some of these people. Boy will not see money to buy it. We don't be never go buy bullets. Let's take an example now. Osakunokodi now. Thank God now. If somebody call me today, say Osakunokodi, your black just is shine. Not now say my brother, the black not shine. The way to make this black shine. Now because you give me work. The very day when you stop to give me work, this black way you see so you go wrinkle. You go wrinkle. Now let's take an example. Me not see work for like just come out like 1 week or 2 weeks. Work not come my hand. The small one we say get that for us. I use that take off person to my family. They do the round up. I'll say okay right now so I want to go and buy bullets. Are they crazy? You might even because they now they see free money. Now they say buy bullets, sponsors. If you bring down the sponsor, courtesy will reduce. Courtesy will reduce to the barest minimum. Now poor man will not see what to do. So they be said that the bad thing give them for go. That is the truth. Now this area, I want make our people poor. Make the poor for ground. If you say if you don't know now, we are gradually losing capable personnel and manpower. Nobody, no court, you never see any court where you can go kill one, except maybe they'll say you can go kill one boy. You go say no. Then they go look for the real Mewe Sabi. Those one will get promising future. Those one will be say now the people know they say this one correct me. Let's take an example. The local people like us they get for this those states they say we not join anything. Instead to say we join, they'll agree make people like us they shine. They'll say we they shine for now you know say that was a good if they shine for color A and color A not supposed to get that kind of person. Don't go fire their enemy. The reason why you see people like us free today is because we not get anyone who will join. If you join, you cannot shine. They will kill you. They not like better thing. Now jealousy did the game. Now jealousy did the game. I'm like him no man. Not go there. The reason why you that's why I love one of my brother. I know I'm sure in the UK. My indigenous for my community, my brother go. He called me from UK. He said, my brother, be very careful. Mostly for communities. He said, they not they do courtesy again. Now jealousy that they do now. May you be careful. Now I say, thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. We must tell ourselves the simple truth and nothing but the truth. We know say life not get duplicates. That is why we need to protect not just our personal future, but the future of the state and our people. Okay, our most respected mama, Mrs. Ebekwe Ogiamie made a comment. Let me read it out. Say, we all know that the youth are not the only people involved in cultism. How can the administration handle the adults aiding the youth? We need to also focus on these so-called adults that are involved in cultism activity. You are very right. That is why, first, it must be condemned critically. All this legislation, whether the pass say we the layers in the end, we have never seen a very strong one against cultism. We need a strong resolution. Fine. If you are afraid to say, because you don't do the House of Assembly, you don't do, because we know, men no men. Now the fact, more your rest. We not join anything, not me say we not see the guy for those states. I must not eat for devil table or join one or two before you see no say, was I will hold self na guy man. We not they pretend. I not get reserved when you say, I not be mune say, me like me know I live my life I supposed to be. Because we know what they play. We know not be joke. We know what they see. We know for inside the assembly, admit it. We know them. But because you join, and it is still clear say they're not the wrong things again. If you know the wrong things again, come out with laws that will check the activities of these people. Come out with laws that will check the activities of these people. I will never tire of the debt who they record on the daily basis. Now, if somebody can tell me a single day across the 3 senatorial districts, in fact, this is not too hot for Edo North and Edo Central, because this set of people really see themselves as one. All my time as a student in Aochipoli, when Kofra war will start, if they did not shoot themselves, these two cops then they fight to. As they come, they see their brother, will say, you go to shout the brother, you defend it all. But for Benin boy will say, you know me, what Melenske, oh, check it. Now me, let that man, get that man down. Don't see that they don't hear that. Meleheski. Turn outside and don't get 10 naira. Turn upside down. At least my pocket be down. Even sorry to say, even when me not still get the same 1 naira. But turn upside down. No money. You see this, my friend now. He dey laugh on the background. It is the truth. Somebody, he said Kingsley Ekwasoy. Ekusoy. I know if you pronounce that name well. He said, can the governor of a state sentence death penalty? Why not? Why not? A governor of a state has the right to even go to prison to release anybody. Even if he said that a key person, tell them, say, okay, bail him. Now one hand. The chief judge has the same power. The chief justice of the state can come out to say, I am celebrating my birthday. I want to release 10 criminals. If he chooses. But he knows that that one will be deleterious to the society. When they say chief security officer, how do they look governor? You say governor, nobody dares the office of the governor. Now let goats go dare the office of the governor. Even if you are in opposition, you don't remember the time when they attack Obasanjo administration before we start to be supporter. You don't know saying that wisdom when they usually do the attack. You don't hear say I come and say, well, governor can fold you. No matter how you be. After the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in Nigeria, the next is the governor of the state. The next, that is why you must respect the office of the executive governor. You can only come out with a passionate appeal. Not let governor face you. If he face you, go hey. But thank God we don't have not be governor where the governor will get for a state, not be governor where they misuse power. He used power diligently. But the occultic activity is painful. Let's come out. I want to read some comments because there are some response. Today, men get where they want to work out. Okay, let me take some comments. You see, so why is the governor not taking drastic action on this? Yes, there is already a drastic action, but you need citizen participation. Like this vigilante and the rest. Governor cannot be everywhere. But let me take an, I talk to them for ITV. Go to YouTube or go to ITV page. You go see this full broadcast program. You'll see watch out today. Myself. Let me see if it has been uploaded. Let me see if it has been uploaded. Excuse me. Let me see if it has been uploaded so that you can watch. Even this is my own network here. Now lose guard. I must clamber first before you go figure. That's why when some person they call me sometimes they say, it's not clear. It's not clear. They don't say this area. Now what they use now another network. This, and if I bring this phone number too much come out, I know if he's not do live video again. Okay. Somebody say Bobby Evans said to stop cultism in Edo State. Edo is to declare them terrorist group. No, it won't work that way because there are still some innocent people who don't tire. They don't know how they want to make sure say they assist me the question. So if you say you want to just declare all of them, you never say you end up declaring Edo terrorists because 90% of your youth not part of the matter. Okay. Yes, you can go to ITV page that it has been uploaded on Facebook. They just uploaded it 10 minutes ago.
Thank you so much.
Okay, our own segment will be uploaded soon. The first one is just in now. Our segment will come in soon. So they have not uploaded our segment, but if you go there now, you see TMI fighting insecurity. Rotimi Akeredolu approach. So I said I don't care about Akeredolu. Akeredolu is focusing on the state. Let us take Edo as our focal point as well. So I believe it will be on YouTube already. But in the next, let's say in the next 1 hour, you get our own segment on ITV. Watch and see exactly what is happening. So this much I can take in respect to this issue. I received a call yesterday from a brother in diaspora saying, come, what did it happen? This without a vessel. Why be like this now? Why be like why? We don't talk again. We don't even talk about this matter. And I said, my dear brother, we dey talk. But the truth be say, me if I tell you, if not be you will call me now, I don't even know say things they play. I know they put here again. Now the time me take the side bush, go see whether I feel increase from 2 naira to 3 naira, from work to work. Now I want to go they look who not ready for life. So that's it. But we cannot say because they're not ready now, we could let the life just go like that. We must get involved and address the problem plaguing our society. Now let's come to the enlightenment part of it. The use to which land is being put. C of O in Edo State. But before you talk about C of O, Mopuna open ear down. Land. Some people say, hey, if you see the land, very cheap. See the way the land clean, see road, everywhere you make sense. You never know whether that land that you want back, whether that government land. And some people say, hey, comrade, you're coming. Hello, comrade, what's up with the body? What's up with the body? Please. He almost told me what day. Oh my God, I'm going to show you. Can we go and do see your food? Must you wait before problem come? Must you wait when problem come before you start to apply? So we say, or if you are doing in our foundation, let me tell you, for building, as you see full building, they'll feel looser. They'll looser. Now few blocks will break. They'll lose and reach foundation. Now let the concrete way they ground and they don't feel remove. And they can even remove if you pay money. So not to say whether you build house or land, they no fit collect that land from you. The only way to secure yourself, as you buy land, the first thing you need to do, you carry out a survey. After you carry out land survey, you apply for CFO. If you apply and finish, as you see this my chair as it is soon, you go sleep like this. You see my leg with your two eye closed. We not say me you because of CFO turn a door to underdeveloped place. You need to develop them. But say person if you collect that your land, forget. It can never happen. It can never happen. Except say maybe you choose. There are some people who will say they get CFO, they'll still subject their land to negotiation. How can you have a CFO and you'll be subjecting your land to negotiation? Say, okay, they want to take you from here to here. There is a case I'm handling now. They don't relocate that man reach 10 times. And the last one they see him now, he never know whether that's true. A community will not get land again. They relocate you. You know another person they want to relocate you put. Okay, what if now you where they watch me now? Now your land they relocate person go. You will never come. And these communities they are ready to receive more money. They are ready to receive more money for as long as the money keep coming in. Riere no. Riere. And if you think that the police can solve land-related issue, you are wasting your time. They will eat from both sides and tell you to go back to the community for settlement. It is only the courts that have the power to resolve land disputes. It is the court that will direct the police. Court have ruled, arrest and prosecute those who infringe. Police have no option. It is a court order. Say you don't get court order, you don't get anything. You're going to say, you're going to petition. Mr. Matthew came into my land and he not took the land. Now, see, now, if it's 2 months, 6 months, when the police don't see us, they don't get anything to offer again, you go throw one or two. Now, how will you not get a legal document to get court order when you don't have a CFO? You don't have a land survey. I talk this to you on the video. Somebody, you're coming. Comrade, you don't threaten us. You don't make me the fear. How you do that? Okay, nothing. I say, my dear brother, if I not tell you the truth, I'll be a bad person. If I not, a blessing, see, I don't want to mention name of communities. But a woman is watching me now. She knew what I'm talking about. It gets a community where you go by land. As you pay, as you come, another person they pay there. Another person they pay. These days, some of the audio will raise the Nokias. Now they able to do this thing. And they because they know say they don't get where they draw the matter go. I as the police station they'll settle and go end. But when you have a CFO, as a Dick Foundation, don't worry. So if you carry one lawyer, tell us say make the serve court proceeding. As they work for the site, bail leave go come. Are you Mr. John? Yes, there is a case. You have a case in court in respect to this land. They will call you for force. When you go court and you tell them, I better not get anything to talk. Speak with my attorney or let's meet in court. Let's meet in court. No discussion. What do you mean you want to tell you? Enter my land. I guess your fool. We're going to say, okay. No. Let's meet in court or peacefully go back to who sold that land to you. Go and collect your money and leave my property for me. Now, some people say, how does CFO get this kind of power? Now, let me take you to the historical antecedent of CFO before I round up. I just want to be laconic and direct to the point. Yes, for those with the request for my number is 070-3610-9939. That is WhatsApp. I still have another WhatsApp number. That one not the Osakuno put the head. I need to also come out. Okay. That one 081 20 10 7155. This one I see WhatsApp number. Now let me quickly give you an overview of the historical antecedent of C of O. The C of O came out from a constitutional document, although it was a decree in the past, but today it's a constitutional document. The Land Use Act of 1978. Before the Land Use Act of 1978, as propounded by the Obasanjo administration, we were having a series of acts during the pre-colonial era, the colonial era, and the post-colonial era. In the pre-colonial era, we have the different land tenure system. The Beninese have theirs. Edos, Obanyato, Kimanaya Sewego. All land is owned by the Omonoba. This was in the pre-colonial era. In the colonial era, the British Town and Country Planning Ordinance of 1946. The British Town and Country Planning Ordinance of 1946. Check your Google. The British Town and Country Planning Ordinance of 1946. Then during the independence, we now have different law coming into play. We still accepted the British law, like the doctrine of equity, the statute of general application, statute of subsidiary legislation on specified matter. English law made before October 1st, 1960. All these are legal jurisprudence and laws that was adopted by the Nigerian government. They receive English law, the doctrine of equity, statute of general application, statute of general application, statute of subsidiary legislation on specified matter. English law made before October 1st, 1960. Then later the Nigerian government continues. Every state begin to modulate the Town and Country Planning Ordinance of 1946. Like Edo State was the Town and Country Planning Ordinance of 1946, of 1970 something, if I'm not mistaken. Cap 165 of Edo State. Cap 165 of Edo State. The same thing. Every government in each state adopted this so as to ensure a salubrious environment and effective land administration in their various states. But the problem was still on ground, and it was cumbersome to address. That when the federal government or state government want to embark on projects, land speculators tend to take an advantage of the fact that all lands are within their jurisdictions. They will never relinquish an iota of such right to the government. As at then, the Obasanjo administration came in with the Land Use Act of 1978. Sorry, the Land Use Decree. It was not Act. The Land Use Decree of 1978. For those of you, you will remember the Operation Feed the Nation. You will remember the Green Revolution by the Shagari administration. All this came into being because the government now have access to land. That is where C of O came in from. Then, in the Land Use Act of 1978, which is now an act as incorporated in the Constitution, outside the Urban Regional Planning Law, the Decree 88 of 1992, which is now modernized in 1999 to be part and parcel of city management in Nigeria. The statutory right of occupancy, C of O, will now be issued by a government of every state, which is holding in land in trust for the overall benefit of the people. All lands under the Land Use Act is saddled on the hands of the state government, which vested the impetus on the governor of the state to issue and to revoke C of O where necessary. And how do they revoke C of O? Now, we have a language called overriding public interests. But in the Town and Country Planning Ordinance of 1946, it is called public purpose. But in the Language Act of 1978, it is called overriding public interest. What is overriding public interest? I think this will be the next topic of discussion. I just want to give you the first segment. We will come in again some other time to discuss. I'm embarking on the travel today, hoping to return soon. Thank you very much. I am Musakwino Kwodi. I remain my humble self, your brother, your loyalist, the Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO, Stanley Sadi Enterprise, as you rightly call me, the C of Oman, Edo State. Not look and say, yeah, you just talk, Not go, because in the course of my discussion, I think maybe I feel shape, but you know, like, if it verse you, yeah, boy, I'm your man, name, Yabomeo, if you don't know what can you Yabomeo, I'm your name, Yabomeo, give us your job today. We are into land surveying, CO4 application, building plan design and construction, plastering of structure. If I plaster your house for you, if me plaster your house for you, if you see dent for that plastering, don't pay, withdraw your money back. If I do your interlocking, if I do one, if you not there well, withdraw your money back. I'll write agreement with you. Say, if I'm done with your interlocking, if it is not good, withdraw your money back. But the money you take back, cement and all, I will pay. Commission us today. This is what we do at Stanley Sadi Enterprise. CO4 application, survey plan, land survey, whether it is geodetic survey, whether it is cadastral survey, whether it is a plain table survey, what you call a perimeter survey, is called plain table survey. It means survey in a small area. Geodetic survey, let me not begin to open, because many people there, they'll come watch our video finish, they'll use to the talk. They'll tell you, say, they are into the business. If they want to learn it, let them go and pay school fees. Sorry, I'm not saying I'm no pass. Why I'm your name, Yabomeo. If you don't can you roba can you risi? Yabomeo. I'm your name, Yabomeo. Thank you very much. I'm Musakwino Kwodi. The phone number still remains 070-3610-9939. I repeat, 070-3610-9939. 080-7974-2172. That's the direct number. The first one is WhatsApp number. Reach out to me and we'll apply for your CFO. We will not just only apply, we will as well give you your file number so that you can still say your member of your family to follow up. May not be like so, I could want to tell you, say, I don't apply, whether I never apply. Here you go, man. Omario Gome, who are jamais ari, me a Janouwe we ari, I in the name of Ibeleku. May God not let us find ourselves in that kind of situation in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you very much. I am Musakwino Kwodi. A big bye for now. Hoping to come for the second segment where we're going to discuss overriding public interest in the CFO process. Bye for now.